Welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I do make videos on how to make money online, cryptocurrency, and lifestyle. And don't forget to check our previous videos, like and comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. So today I'm going to show you how to generate token avatar with your video. I'm going to show you how to generate your token avatar with your video. All you need to do is to stay to the end of this video. Don't skip any of the video. So for you to generate your video into avatar, all you need to do is to head to this platform called Pixel. And when you open I know most of people has come across this platform. So for those of you that haven't heard about Pixel, Pixel is a platform where you can get free video stocks, photo stocks. Then you can use it for your social media content. So we'll be making use of this platform to generate token avatar. So all you need to do is to find a video that is facing the camera. Make sure the person standing in the video is facing the camera. So all you need to do is to search for So let's check out this video. Okay, I believe this one can do. So let's download. Okay, once you download it, then you head over to your Play Store. You open your Play Store, then you search for Dreamface. So this is the platform that we are going to use to generate the video to token avatar. So as you can see over here, I've already downloaded the app. So all you need to do is to download and install it to your So all you need to do in this app is to click on the video link. Then once you click on the video link, you go to avatar. Then you add the video we downloaded on Pixel. Sorry. Then as you can see over here, then the next thing you should do is to add the script. Then all you need to do is to click on add script to continue. On this plus icon, click, and you go to audio script. Sorry. Then you click on the file. So let's make use of this. And this application only allows 30 seconds clip to generate it. Then you click on the eliminate. And you click again. As you can see, our video is getting ready.
Want an unstoppable mindset? Let's take notes from pop culture legends. Step 1. Embrace the grind.
So this is exactly how to generate talking avatar with your video. Then you can make use of your own video. Then all you need to do again is to save the video. Go down over here and click on save. Automatically it has entered your gallery. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video to those that need it. I'll see you next time.